In today's video, I am going to teach you how to win a Stripe chargeback. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Payments. From there, select Disputes to open the list of chargebacks connected to your account. Now choose the specific chargeback you want to respond to. Open it and carefully review the dispute details. Pay close attention to the dispute reason, the response deadline, and the type of evidence Stripe is asking you to provide. This step is important because your response should match the reason for the chargeback and include the strongest documentation available. This may include receipts, invoices, shipping and delivery records, customer communication, proof of service, or any other records that help show the charge was valid. Make sure the information is clear, relevant, and easy to understand. If the customer received a product, include proof that it was delivered. If the charge was for a service, include evidence that the service was provided as promised. After that, return to the dispute page in Stripe and upload your evidence directly to the case. Add each document in the appropriate section if Stripe separates the evidence fields. Take a moment to review everything before you submit it. Confirm that the files are complete, accurate, and directly support your explanation. Missing or unclear evidence can weaken your response. When you are satisfied with your submission, click Submit Evidence. Stripe will then send your response to the card issuer for review. At this stage, there is nothing more you need to send, unless Stripe requests additional information. Once the evidence has been submitted, monitor the dispute status from the Disputes section in your Stripe dashboard. This will let you track the progress of the case while the card issuer reviews the materials. The final decision will come from the issuer, and when that decision is available, you can review the outcome directly in the dispute record. If you want to practice this process without using a live payment, you can use Stripe's sandbox environment. Open the Stripe documentation testing page and use the available dispute test card numbers to simulate chargeback scenarios. This is a useful way to learn how the workflow looks and to practice submitting evidence safely.
Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.